Infectious diseases are an important health problem throughout the world. Humans can be affected by infectious agents that range from the submicroscopic, like viruses, all the way to worms that can be several metres in length. In this video, I'll quickly run through the common classes of infectious agents that cause diseases in humans, with their respective sizes and some examples of diseases that they cause. Firstly, however, let me quickly outline the scale of measurements that we'll be using. Here we'll be looking at the nanoscale measurement, which ranges from 1 nanometer up to 500 nanometers, and we need electron microscopy to view at this size. Next, we'll move to the micron level, 1 micron, which is 1,000 nanometers, all the way up to 200 microns, which would require light microscopy for viewing. And then finally, we move to the millimeter to meters. So 1 millimeter is 1,000 microns, and we're going to be moving all the way up into the meters. This area of scale is viewable from the naked human eye. So let's start off with prions. Prions are the smallest infectious agents. They're less than 20 nanometers in size, and they are essentially abnormally formed proteins, which can alter our own proteins and cause diseases such as mad cow disease or Creutzfeldt-Jakob's disease. Moving on to viruses. Viruses are intracellular parasites that are basically bundles of nucleic acid, which is DNA or RNA, that are wrapped up in a capsule. These can be 200 to 400 nanometers in size. Some common examples of diseases that they cause: HIV, polio, COVID-19, and hepatitis. Moving on to bacteria. Bacteria are cells that lack membrane-enclosed organelles like mitochondria or the nucleus. And this is why they're known as prokaryotes, because prokaryote means before the nucleus. Their size is approximately 0.2 to 15 microns in size, and they can cause diseases such as tuberculosis, chlamydia, and pneumonia. Moving to protozoa, these are single-cell eukaryotes, which means they have a nucleus. They range in size from 1 micron to 50 microns, and they can cause diseases such as malaria or amoebic dysentery. Moving to fungi, these are eukaryotic, but they can be both single-cell or multicellular. They have a cell wall, and they range from 2 to 200 microns in size. An example is Candida, which can lead to the disease known as thrush. And then finally, we have Helminths, which are colloquially termed as worms. They can be categorised into 3, those roundworms, tapeworms, and flukes. Their size is approximately 3 millimeters all the way to 10 meters in size, and they can cause a diversity of different diseases.